हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जी के अपडेट विद उन्नति। अगर आप चैनल में न्यू हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें एंड नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन कर लें जिससे आपको हमारे न्यू वीडियो की अपडेट मिलती रहे। तो आज के वीडियो का टॉपिक है वर्क, एनर्जी एंड पावर, जो कि फिजिक्स का वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है, जिसके आज हम टॉप 40 MCQs गो थ्रू करेंगे जो कि आपके अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स के लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट है। वीडियो के लास्ट में क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे रहता है जिसका आंसर आपको कमेंट करके बताना होता है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। द मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ वर्क डन बाय अ फोर्स, एंड द आंसर इज डिपेंड्स ऑन फ्रेम ऑफ रेफरेंस। सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, नो वर्क इज डन इफ, and the answer is all of these, that is displacement is 0, force is 0 and force and displacement are mutually perpendicular. Third question, when the force retards the motion of body, the work done is, and the answer is negative. Fourth question, work is always done on a body when, and the answer is it experiences an increase in energy through a mechanical influence. Fifth question, a boy carrying a box on his head is walking on a level road from one place to another is doing no work. This statement is, and the answer is correct. Sixth question, in which of the following work is being not done? And the answer is standing with a basket of fruit on the head. Seventh question, according to work energy theorem, the work done by the net force on a particle is equal to the change in its, and the answer is kinetic energy. Eighth question, if a light body and heavy body have same kinetic energy, then which one has greater linear momentum? And the answer is heavier body. Ninth question, the coefficient of restitution E for a perfectly inelastic collision is, and the answer is 0. 10th question, a light and a heavy body have equal momentum. Which one has greater KE? And the answer is the lighter body. 11th question, which of the following can do more work? And the answer is a bullet fired by a gun. 12th question, work present if there is, and the answer is force. 13th question, a compressed spring possesses more energy than a spring of normal length because the compressed spring has, and the answer is potential energy. 14th question, mass upon volume equal to, and the answer is density. 15th question, the following particles move with same kinetic energy. Which of them has maximum momentum? And the answer is a particle. 16th question, an object moves at a constant speed when no acting on it, and the answer is force. 17th question, at the time of releasing an arrow in a drawn bow, the potential energy of the bow change, and the answer is kinetic energy. 18th question, which of the following physical units changes or tends to change the state of rest or uniform motion of an object? And the answer is force. 19th question, the conversion of mechanical energy into electrical energy does not occur in, and the answer is motor. 20th question, product of momentum expressed as, and the answer is mass and velocity. 21st question. Dash has two types of energy. And the answer is mechanical. 22nd question. What does mechanical energy equal? And the answer is kinetic energy plus potential energy. 23rd question. The energy of wind is? And the answer is only kinetic. 24th question. What is the formula for power? And the answer is work upon time. 25th question. What does the raised hammer have? And the answer is potential energy. 26th question. Which of the following the work done by a body does not depend on? And the answer is initial velocity of object. 27th question. Which of the following does not have kinetic energy? And the answer is raised hammer. 28th question. If an object is rotated in a circular path, what will be the work done on it in one rotation? And the answer is 0. 29th question. Which one of the following is a vector quantity? And the answer is momentum. 30th question. Which one of the following force is non-central and non-conservative? And the answer is frictional force. 31st question. Which of the following is not a vector quantity? And the answer is volume. 32nd question. Work is done on a body only when? And the answer is there is displacement. 33rd question. What is the work done if the angle between applied force and the direction of the displacement is 90 degrees? And the answer is 0. 34th question. There is a body falling from a mountain has? And the answer is both kinetic energy and potential energy. 35th question. Momentum equal to? And the answer is mass into velocity. 36th question. The example of the conservation force is? And the answer is gravitational force. 37th question. Which of the following equations calculates momentum? And the answer is momentum equal to mass into volume. 38th question. Flying a rocket can be understood by? And the answer is momentum conservation law. 39th question. The product of force and displacement is called? And the answer is work. And the last 40th question. Rate of doing work is called? And the answer is power. तो ये थे फिजिक्स के वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक वर्क, एनर्जी एंड पावर के टॉप 40 इंपॉर्टेंट MCQs। और अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे में। तो आज का क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे है, इफ द स्पीड ऑफ द साइकिल इज डबल्ड देन द काइनेटिक एनर्जी विल बी। तो इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट ऑप्शन आपको आंसर करना है कमेंट सेक्शन में।